Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we are going to understand about the transistor RC phase shift oscillator, right? So now I will run the simulation in LTSpice and I will show you the waveform of RC phase shift oscillator by using transistor, right? So you can see here this is transistor Q1, that is 212222, and it is connected with the 9-volt battery. So here you can see this is 9-volt battery. This is the base resistance which is pulled up with the battery. Okay, you can see here this is R3, that is ammeter resistance, and here you can see this is C5, that is bypass capacitor, and here you can see this is C4, that is coupling capacitor, right? So if you look at this circuit, you can find that there is a combination of C and R. Okay, so 1 nanofarad and 10k, C2 is 1 nanofarad and 10k, and C1 is 1 nanofarad and 10k. So these RC gives, one stage of RC gives 60 degree of phase shift. Okay, so this stage will give 60 degree phase shift, this stage will give 60 degree phase shift, and this stage will give 60 degree phase shift. So this 3 RC will give you total 180 degree phase shift. Okay, so now let me run the simulation. So to run the simulation, you have to go at this simulate, edit simulation command, then you have to go the transient time is 10 millisecond, click it OK, and now run the simulation. Go at this button, this is run button, click it here. Now you can see you have two window, one for circuit, one for simulation. So tile window vertically, here you can see now one window for circuit, one window for simulation, and let me show you the output of this RC phase shift oscillator, right? So you can see here the this sinusoidal signal is ramp up, and after a period of time you can see a constant oscillation, right? So let me zoom this circuit. Okay, so this is the transient point, a startup point, and here you can see you have some frequency, right? If you want to measure the frequency of this RC phase shift oscillator, click at this net VO, right? Click it here. You have to add two cursor, go add attached cursor. So add two cursor, 1 and 2, click it OK. Now you have two cursor, this is cursor 1, you can place anywhere here, right? Okay, and you have second cursor, you can place anywhere here. So you can see here the frequency for this RC phase shift oscillator is 8 kilohertz, right? 7.996. It is very closer to 8 kilohertz. So hope you are now able to see the behavior of RC phase shift oscillator by using transistor, right? How will you simulate the circuit? Okay, if you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.